What's up guys? Dave the Phone Guy here. Happy New Year. This is the first video of 2020. Today I'm gonna unbox the Realme Buds Air. These suckers were hard to get. I couldn't just order them here in the US. I had to phone a friend, one of you guys, you know who you are, out in India to help me out and ship them to me. So kudos actually to two of yous. Thanks guys, I appreciate it. Thanks for helping out the community. We're a family. This is how we get things done, right? So without further ado, let's jump into the video. Let's do this. Let's get crazy. Alright guys, so let's see what's on the box here. It has real wireless tech, super low latency. We'll test that out in another video. Wireless charging, that's always awesome. Open up auto correction Google Fast Pair. We'll try it out, we'll see. I'm not sure what that really means. Wear detection, autoplay pause, so take them out, they pause, put them in, they play, pretty simple. Dynamic bass, boost driver, advanced audio codec, and dual mic noise cancellation. So let's open these up. Let's get to it. Oh, by the way, you see these over here, the contest for these. Red Huawei FreeBuds 3, still going on, like, I don't know, 20 some odd days left. I'd hate for you to miss and not enter, and you could have been the winner. So make sure you enter, because we're running out of time. It's pretty nice. I like the size. So my initial thing, you know, the one thing that I was a little down on with these, this was a little big for me. I like the small compact design. You can see it says designed by Realme. So the case feels solid. It's got USB Type-C charging. So the top, it's already better than the Vivo's case. Not by much, but it's staying open on its own. So I keep bringing it up. I know this isn't even a Vivo video. This is the Realme video, but this thing, it's the most annoying thing. It still annoys me. I love these, but it still annoys me. So this one still stays open on its own. A little movement, it closes. I'm cool with that, that's cool. So we got them open. They're raised a little bit. They're not so recessed. They're not that slippery. So it's easy to take them out of the case here. I can tell that immediately. The Vivos, I'm always like holding on for dear life because I'm waiting for them to slip out of my hands. They feel nice. Well, I got them in and they're just chilling. Let's see what's in the rest of the box. You got the charger and you got your user guide. That's it. So let's pair these up. Let's see what fast pair means. All right, boom. So we're connected. Let's play some music. I'm gonna open up my YouTube music app. Let's go to the top 100 songs and let's see. Let's crank it up. Here comes the bass. The highs are pretty crisp. Not bad. I mean, they sound clean. Guys, I can tell you that I'm not a huge bass. I mean, they got nice mids and I'm not huge into bass. I like the highs the most. And these are really crisp and clean and clear. They sound good. I'm surprised. I really am. You know, because of the price tag, these sound good. All right, let me take them out. Let me stop the music. Let me talk about these. So, right off the bat, I like the size. I like the small size form factor. It's one of the big things I liked about the Vivos. They're pretty small, they're pretty close to similar, a little thicker, but the overall size is right there. So that's cool. I like that they have wireless charging. I like how easy they are to take out of the case. I like how they sound, they're crisp. Let's test out the mic right now. Let's do it. I'm gonna try a different app because I think, and this is something I'm gonna circle back to in another video, but I think there might have been an issue with the Parrot app. And I'm not gonna get too deep into it right now. I've been working on some things, so I'm gonna try a different app to see what the mic sounds like. The name of this is just voice recorder. I have the Bluetooth option checked. So it's the source, the audio source that it's gonna be recording from is the Bluetooth headset. So we got that set up. As you see, there's a whole bunch of files in here. I've been trying something. I'm gonna save that for another video. So we're gonna hit record and put one of these in. All right, and I am going to switch the audio now that you're hearing in this video
to this. to this mic right here. So how does it sound? Does it sound crisp? Does it sound clear? Is it muffled? Obviously, this is the first time that I'm speaking with this mic. I don't know how it sounds. I can tell you the audio side of the experience is pretty great. They sounded really good. I was impressed. For the price of these things, solid quality. What I want to do now is I'm going to go ahead and throw the other mic in. So we got both headsets in now, guys. How does that sound? Is it better with one or two? Does it make any difference at all? You tell me in the comments down below. And that's it. Actually,
that's not it. Just like the Huawei FreeBuds 3, I'm gonna give these away to one of you guys, and the contest is gonna work the same way, just like if you go to the giveaway video on that one, you click on the link, you follow the contest rules, and you're registered to win. Same thing with these. There'll be a link in the description. Follow the instructions. In a few weeks, I'll pick a winner, and yeah, that's it, man. Hey, do me a favor, follow me on Twitter. Right here's my handle. If you haven't already, subscribe. Hit the bell, that way you'll get notified of my next video. That's it, guys. That's me. That's Dave the Phone Guy. I'm talking to you. You're gonna win these. Register to win right now. Sign up. From me to you. You know who I'm talking about. I got you. Dave the Phone Guy. Talk to you in the next one. Peace.